Hello, I'm Cofrancis Art. Today I want to show you how to draw a realistic lip with charcoal and graphite ash. First of all, you start drawing the outline. Yeah, as you can see, I'm drawing the outline. So while you're drawing the outline, you have to take the accurate measurement and proportion to actually aid yourself with the right dimension of the drawing. So you move on to applying the graphite ash to your drawing. Apply the graphite ash to your drawing with your Q-tip. Then the next step to take is to use your tortillon. Put your tortillon on your graphite dust or charcoal dust and apply it and draw the detailed outline of the skin pores or texture. That's the step one to actually get a realistic skin tone. Alright, as I'm drawing at this second surface, I'm applying graphite dust. So while I'm applying the graphite dust, I'm also applying charcoal dust under the mouth. Alright, so this is a time lapse, but I'm just trying to get it right and make it easier for you to understand the more. I'm trying to also shorten the video so that you can grab what I'm trying to show you. As you can see, I'm applying the graphite dust. Apply the graphite dust and I start detailing. While if you want to get the skin pores, you start drawing the highlight, tapping the highlight on the areas where you've applied those graphite dust, where you've punched out the areas with oh well, all right, you begin to get the shape of your skin pores. If you want to understand this more, I would advise you to get the paper and join me, because you just apply as I'm applying, so that you can actually get it right. So as you can see, I'm still applying graphite dust, graphite ash, or you can as well use charcoal to get the skin pores or layer, skin tone. Each pores has a particular tone. It has a particular texture. So you like to follow them to get the lines. The line, I call it flows of tones. Flows of tones. So you have to get the flows of tones. Well, all right, I'll move on to the lip. I'm sketching out the lip. So right now I'm applying the graphite ash to the lip as an underlayer All right, when you're done, you have to move on as usual with your blending stop on throttle on to detail out the skin tones or texture. You outline it with your blending stump by tapping your charcoal dust to your throttle on, then you apply. All right, so as you can see, I'm still drawing the outline. I'm still tapping the outline for the lip to actually give me the skin tone of the actual person I'm drawing, because there is difference in tones. People have different tones. The tone for the lip is not as the same tones, skin tones for the skin or the skin at the nose area. The lip area looks smoother, so you apply charcoal white and you blur with your brush to actually give you a smooth and clear tone at the lip. So right now, as you can see, I'm touching the other area. I'm outlining, I'm drawing out the skin tones. While I'm drawing the skin tone, I'm also checking the lines, the line of flow. While drawing skin tones, you don't just put touch dots. You don't just make dots. You have to study the skin tones and the flow. All right, so you use your brush and blow out the charcoal white that you've applied. Yeah, I'm applying the charcoal white because I want it to be smooth. So when you're done, we move on to the outlining of the lip tones. The tones at the lip, you have to outline it, then also blur it with your brush if you want to get the kind of skin tones you desire. All right, you have to apply the detail. There are different areas that are more detailed than the other. So the lighter areas I use this instrument I call, I use it in place of I use it in place of Tombow Mono Zero, but it really goes well when you know how to use it. All right, you see, I'm still applying the graphite ash. When I'm done with the lighter areas, I'm strengthening the lighter areas. All right, with your charcoal dust, you begin to tap the skin tones with your to outline the darker areas to give you a smooth skin texture you desire to draw. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoy it, make sure you on your notification to see more videos, and as well you find time to subscribe.